Welcome to another episode of the Billionaire Blueprint, where we talk about all things finance, business, psychology, and today the true form of wealth, time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Time. That's not a tangible asset like money or property. How can it be considered wealth? Well, let me explain. Time is something that we can never get back. Once it's gone for good. And we all have a limited amount of it. So, in that sense, time is more valuable than any physical asset because it's something that we can never replace. At the start of this game of life, we actually have the most efficient time set up at birth. We trade our times for desires, and that's where things can get a bit murky. Want a nice house? Tasty food regularly? A fit Instagram body? All desires we trade our time for, and before you know it, you have no time for meaningful activities and personal growth. The fastest way to get more time is to have less desires from the world, but that's not the likely option for most of us. But enough with the heavy stuff. Let's talk about how to make the most of our time. First and foremost, it's important to prioritize your life. Figure out what's most important to you in life and make sure that you're spending your time on those things. And no, staring at your phone for hours on end does not count as a priority, sorry, social media addicts. Next up is efficiency. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some people seem to get so much more done than others. That's because they know how to make the most of their time. They don't waste it on unimportant tasks, and they have a system in place to get things done quickly and efficiently. So if you want to maximize your time, it's important to be efficient. I will make a video explaining the art of leveraging systems to maximize time in the future, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for all updates. Now, let's talk about investing your time wisely. Just like you would invest money in stocks or real estate, you can also invest your time in things that will provide a return. This could be learning a new skill, starting a business, or even volunteering. By investing your time in something that you're passionate about, you'll not only be using your time wisely, but you'll also be creating value for yourself and others. But here's the thing, so many people go their entire lives never living how they want. They waste their time on things that don't matter, and they end up regretting it. Don't let that be you. Take control of your time and use it wisely. Invest it in the things that will bring you happiness and fulfillment, or at the very least more free time in the future. So remember, time is the true form of wealth. Make the most of it, and you'll be well on your way to living a rich and fulfilling life. You have downloaded another piece of the Billionaire Blueprint. Until next time.